26 Women Today with Paige Tucker on NBC 26.
Go CJ!
If Kim Evans ever needs stress relief from her job as executive director of the Boys and Girls Club of the CSRA, she can no doubt find it here. Lots of fun stuff like this talent show prep is packed into the summer months at the club, but Kim will tell you the organization is no glorified babysitting service.
We offer targeted programs for kids, and we make sure that they align with their school day so we can have an impact on their academic success in school.
Those programs are making a difference in the classroom and after school.
We have a 98% graduation rate. Nearly all of our kids graduate from high school. That's the first step for success in the future, is making sure that you graduate on time.
And after about 7 years of tracking Boys and Girls Club members,
0% has had new interactions with the juvenile justice system, and that's also major. We've also had 0 teenage pregnancies, and those three are, it's a big deal.
Kim coordinated an event this spring with former Secretary of State Dr. Condoleezza Rice, a national Boys and Girls Club board member, to help spread the word about the difference this organization is making in the CSRA for some 1,500 children.
The whole idea was to capture a big audience and really get people to see that, you know, this is really an organization that can be a solution or a part of the solution for the community.
Being that solution is a responsibility Kim Evans holds close to her heart.
This is the world that they're going to inherit, so I definitely want to make an impact on those kids, and I want to show my kids that you know, that it's good to give back and serve your community, and you can make a career out of doing just that.
For helping grow our local Boys and Girls Club to a multi-million-dollar agency that's changing lives and breaking negative cycles one youth at a time, Kim Evans joins 26 Women Today.
NBC 26 reminds you to buy local.
For the perfect addition to your man's wardrobe, shop Boardroom Clothing Company. Stop by today and save big during our semi-annual sale. You'll find clothing to suit any man for any occasion. Boardroom Clothing Company, locally owned and operated since 1988.